Yo, yo, yo. Alright, so, I want to talk about compact guns. And the reason why I like compact guns instead of full-size guns. And what I mean is full-size guns, yes, these are clear. I do have some mags. Yes, they are loaded, but I'm not going to load them. So, I'm going to demonstrate them like this, but without loading. And I'm going to take it out and double check. But, get some more light here. By the way, so I'm using that new camera that I did that around the house vlog in. So yeah, like I said, I'm gonna use that for stuff like this. So like I said, the reason why I like compact guns is magazine purposes. I'm gonna clear all these. Nothing in these. Each one is clear. Alright, so I like compacts because this reason. Close that. Now this is a 17 round mag, and that fits like that. Now obviously this would go into my dad got the 17, and this can go in there, but this can't. And I mean like the Glock 17. That's what he has, the Glock 17. Now when we on field together, his can take this mag, but it can't take this 15 round mag because that's flush, and the bottom of his come out more. His can only take the 17 and up. But I like this because I have the option of taking a 15 and a 17 round mag. Like, I can get a shitload of 17 round mags, I can get a shitload of 15 round mags, and it will take that no matter what it is. Obviously it will take a 20 round mag, fine. 17 or 19 will take that. So yeah, I like micro compacts too because I like how concealable they can be and how light they are. A lot of people might not like this. This is PSA. Well, it's kind of a PSA. Well, the lower is a PSA Palmetto State dagger, micro, but the slide is from a custom Glock 43X slide, and going to 43 and a 43X. I did change out the barrel because it's a vented barrel, and I have vents on the side for less recoil and muzzle rise. This one is the same way too, vented barrel, and vented slide for same thing. This one, there's no vented barrels on this one at all, as you can see, but I do have a compensator on here which does the same thing kind of what these do for less muzzle rise. But I just like compact guns for some reason. Micro and compacts are my favorite guns. I don't have nothing against full-size guns. It's just compacts works better for me, and I'm suited better for these. Like, I just like the way that the grip fits my finger and hands perfectly. They're not huge. I don't have small ones. I don't have large ones. They like in the middle. So compacts works for me well, like perfectly. Even this 43X base dagger. See how compact just fits my hand perfectly. So most guns I buy is compact guns like my GX4s. I love compact guns. Now, my first full size was the full size G3 gun, Taurus G3. That was okay, but I noticed, like, because of my size frame, it was kind of digging on my side, and I'm a bigger guy, so I can't carry appendix. Big people will know what I mean by that. So it's a certain way that us bigger guys have to carry, and you carry appendix, it'll start digging in your stomach because we're bigger guys, so we have to have certain ways that we carry. And this handle on the full size guns was digging into my stomach, and then when you have it on the side, it prints like hell because how long it comes out. Now, if you were like a dude that's like 6'5", I mean, obviously you'll be a big guy, so it won't really print on you. But a guy my size, well, hell, even this will print. And I'm a big guy, so I can't carry appendix without it hitting things. This is perfect. Even though I carry smaller than this, but only for store runs, I carry, like if I go to the store run or somewhere quick, I would probably carry 380 on me. But if I'm like, I'm going to be out or something for a minute, that's what I like about these compacts. Magazine compatibility. Like I said, this is the 17 and this is the 15. I have the option for two of these guns to run either or. I'm not just stuck with having a 17 round mag on these. I have the option of having 15 or 17. And like I said, I know you guys will probably say, we'll just get more 17 round mags. But sometimes, you might be in a situation where you don't have this option to have another 17 round mag, and all you have is these. And guess what? Because I have 15 in the compact, I can just switch them out. If I had a longer full size gun, I couldn't do that. I only have to rely on the 17. But with these options, I have the best of both worlds. I can take either or and not have to worry about no problem. So yeah, that's why I love compacts so much. You have a lot of options with these. It's like they like ARs. I like, when I get a gun, I like to have options. I don't like to be tied down to what mags I can run in these and specifically stick to 17 round and up mags. Nope, I have options for these two guns. And these guns I carry when I'm out on the field, these two. And I need these options. Like, I have a few 17 round mags, but like I said, I want the option to run a 15 in these two. Just because. Now my pops, he can't run this. He only have to rely on these 17 round mags I have. But sometimes, I want to carry like 4 or 5 of these. And I have to carry these 17 round mags. But that's my option, that's my opinion. I mean, like I said, everybody got their own opinion on what they like and what don't they like. It's just, I want the option to do what I want when it comes to these magazines on these guns. But I know this might be short, but that's my little topic. I just wanted to discuss that, or why I like compacts instead of full sides on pistols. I'm going to try to have a range video going on now that I have this thing. Now I can really focus and not like I was saying in my video that I did before with this thing. Like, I don't like holding the camera or setting it up or nothing. I like the camera to see what I see, like a tripod. But this will make perfect for downrange. You can literally see what I see or what I'm aiming at. So you see what I see. So I will have a range video coming soon. Now that I got this thing, like I said, I go to the range, but I don't record a lot of my process because a lot of the range I was going to, they don't like for you to record in their range. But I'm gonna go to the one that don't care about all that, and it's kind of a further away distance from me, but I got more freedom to do what I want, and plus I want y'all to see firsthand of me shooting, first person view. So you will see just like this downrange of what I'm shooting at. Man, I need to change this mag release on here. I don't like this. See, I can easily shoot this one out. Yeah, but that's all. Just wanted to chat about that. So see y'all later and catch y'all on the next one.